Hi there. Ready to learn English one bite at a time? Boost your skills and have fun with daily Byte English extension. Let's get fluent together. Every day, we bring you a new word to expand your English vocabulary. Whether you're just starting out as a beginner, building confidence at the intermediate level, or challenging yourself with advanced words, we've got you covered. We don't just give you the word. We provide a clear definition and practical examples to show how it's used in real-life sentences. With Daily Byte English extension, learning a new word becomes simple, engaging, and something to look forward to every day. Here, you can hear the pronunciation of each word.
Whimsical.
And see its transcription, making it easier to say and understand perfectly. Each day, we share a quick grammar tip to make learning English rules simple and practical. By clicking on this button, you can save any word you like to your saved words page, making it easy to review and practice later. On the saved words page, you'll find all the words you've saved, along with your level, which grows as you learn more. The more you learn, the higher you climb. Keep going and watch your progress soar. In the settings page, you have full control. Enable or disable notifications to suit your preferences, and choose whether you want to save grammar tips. Customize your learning experience to make it just right for you. Sign up to save your progress and keep track of your learning journey. Plus, with our dark mode, you can switch to a more comfortable theme for your eyes, perfect for those late-night study sessions. Our extension is designed to make learning English effortless and engaging. With daily vocabulary, grammar tips, and helpful features like saving your words and tracking your progress, it's the perfect tool to enhance your skills. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's always there to support your learning journey. Daily Byte English is available right now on the Chrome Web Store. The link is in the description.